Bitstamp app. The pros, the cons. The Bitstamp app is a long-standing cryptocurrency exchange focused on reliability and regulatory compliance. You won't believe how simple it is to buy, sell, and track crypto using this platform. Pros include a clean interface, strong security features like two-factor authentication, and insurance coverage for digital assets. Users have access to popular cryptocurrencies with competitive trading fees and a simple deposit and withdrawal process. Bitstamp also provides historical charts and price alerts, which help traders make informed decisions. Cons include a smaller selection of altcoins compared to platforms like Kraken or Crypto.com. Advanced traders may find the tool's basic and verification can take time for new accounts. Mobile features are solid, but less sophisticated than some competitors. In conclusion, the Bitstamp app is ideal for users who value security, regulatory compliance, and straightforward trading. It's especially suitable for beginners and investors focused on major cryptocurrencies without needing advanced trading tools.